Looking to reshape your brand's identity online? In this episode, you'll learn how to change the logo in Magento 2. This feature, often overlooked, is vital for creating brand awareness and a unique identity for your business. Let's dive in. In Magento 2, you can first upload your logo from the admin panel. The image file will appear as the theme logo in the specified server location. Make sure to know the size of your logo, as it can vary depending on the chosen theme. Next, you can change your theme. Log into your Magento admin panel, go to Stores, and click Content. Under Design, expand the Configuration tab. Choose your desired theme from the drop-down menu and save your changes. Now, let's focus on uploading a front-end logo. Your brand logo can be added in the header section. Go to the Other settings and locate the header section. Click on the Choose File option to upload a new logo. Remember, you can select the logo file from your computer. Upload the logo image in the Magento 2 header section with the correct dimensions and alt text. Define the logo image width and logo image height. You can type a welcome message into the welcome text field or leave it empty. Include the logo image alt text. This will assist web crawlers in understanding the image content. Set the translated title section to yes. Finally, just click the Save Configuration button to save all the changes you made. A good logo can significantly enhance your brand's recognition, so take your time to make it perfect. Thank you for watching our quick tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Magento-related content.